Hello friends and welcome to Computer Coder. Do subscribe to Computer Coder and hit the bell icon. Let's start the Java tutorial. Java programming language. What is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is high-level, robust, object-oriented and secure language, and Java is a platform. Applications of Java. Java is used to build applications like desktop-based application, banking application, mobile and Android system, embedded system, smart card, robots, games, and antivirus and more.
Let us see mainly use Java applications. First, desktop-based applications. They are the traditional software that we use to install in every machine. For example, it can be a media player, antivirus, or even a compiler. In most of the case, AWT and Swing are used to create standalone application, which is desktop-based application.
Second, web application. An application that runs on server side and creates a dynamic page is called web application or web-based application. Currently, servlets, JSP, Spring, etc. are technologies used to create web applications in Java. Enterprise application. An application that is disruptive in nature, such as banking application, etc., is called enterprise application. Java has an advantage of high-level security, load balancing, and clustering. Enterprise application. An application. Mobile application. An application which is created for mobile device is called mobile application. Currently, Android and Java micro edition are used for creating mobile applications. History of Java. The history of Java is very interesting. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at the time. The team members initiated the developing of Java language is called Green Team. Initiated started to develop a language for digital devices. However, it was suitable for internet programming. The principle of creating Java were simple, robust, platform-independent, secure, high-performing, multiple-threading architecture, object-oriented, interpreter, and dynamic. Java was developed by James Gosling, who is known as father of Java, in the year 1995. James Gosling and his team started the project in early 90s. Currently, Java is used in internet programming, mobile device, games, and e-business. Let us see how to install Java-JDK and Java compiler into our PC. Open the link given in the description in your browser. Currently, there are many versions of Java, but I use Java SE 14.1. This is latest version of Java. This is the download page where we are going to download Java-JDK 14.1. Choose your platform dependency file. Click on checkbox and press the download button. Open the second link given in the description in a new tab. The link takes you to this page. Click on the download button to download IntelliJ IDEA. After downloading, double-click on the Java-JDK file to install Java. Click on the next button and it will import all the libraries of Java in programming file directories. Open a new window and move on to programming files and Java and JDK 14.1. Now move on to bin. Now copy this link Go to search bar in the taskbar and type system variables and click on this icon to open system properties. Now press the button system variables. Now select path and click on edit. Now click on new and paste the copied link previously. Now press OK. Now move on to user variables and click new and type Java in the variable name and variable value as copied link and press OK. And here OK and system variables as OK. To make sure that you have installed Java correctly, open the command prompt and type javac. It will throw back some result as like this. Now installing IntelliJ. Double click on the IntelliJ and press run. Select next and select default path and click on next. In this option, make sure that you have selected bit launcher and updated path variable and click on next and click on install. It starts to import all the library function into directory. After installing IntelliJ, restart your computer. Thank you for watching, friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon.